Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today we are going to do something a little bit different. We are going to play around with a memory keeping supply to create some fun fold cards. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have two different card ideas I want to share with you that feature flip flaps. Now, if you've never heard of flip flaps, they are used primarily for memory keeping to create little mini albums. They're also used in scrapbooking, but we're going to use them today to create some fun fold cards. So these are what the flip flaps look like. So there are two different styles. There's a side flip flap, and then there's a top loading flip flap. And so you can get an entire pack of these in a couple different sizes, but we're going to use the 3x4 inch size today to create our cards, and you'll get 12 of these. So you'll get 6 of each of these different types of flip flaps. Now the cards in this video feature the Relaxing Water Side stamp set from Stampin' Up! And of course, I'm also featuring some of the Waterside Retreat Designer Series paper. However, you can use any supplies you have on hand to create these fun fold cards. Okay, so this is the design that I'm going to walk you through today. We're going to create this in landscape style, but of course you can also create this in portrait style. So I'm going to show you how I made this card. It's super simple. It might look complicated, but you're going to be surprised at how easy it is to create with these little flip-flap pockets. So you're going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 5.5 by 4.25 inches. So we're going to make an A2 size card. Next, I just cut a piece of pattern paper that is the exact same size as this cardstock. So it's 5.5 by 4.25 inches. And we are just going to adhere this directly to this cardstock piece. So this will just give the card more support because this is the base of your card. So you don't want to use designer paper as the base of your card. All right, let's set this aside and let's go ahead and create our flip flap design. So for this particular card, I have a piece of pecan pie cardstock, which is 4.5 by 3.5 inches. And so you want to choose which flip flap you're going to use. So I'm actually going to be using this longer one, and we're going to be using it sideways. So you can use either one, however you want to do this. You'll just turn your cardstock. So if I want to use this design, I would just adhere them this way. Or if I want to use this flip flap, then it gets adhered off to the side. So we're going to use this flip flap, and we are going to use 2 of them. So you'll need 2 of these to create the little pockets for the fun fold card. So these little flip flaps have a little pocket in here where you can slide in some different pattern paper or photos. Actually, this is intended for photos, but we're going to slide in some pattern paper pieces to create our fun fold card. So this is going to be the front of our card. And then basically I have a variety of different other pattern paper pieces. So let's just go ahead and put these all together. All of these pieces are 3x4 because remember our flip flap is 3x4 inches. So whatever pattern paper you're using, you want to cut it down to 3x4. So I'm going to use these 2. We're going to put these together. So we're going to add this piece directly to the center here. And I'm just going to stamp a little greeting on it using some old olive ink. And then I have 2 other pieces. I have the fish design, and again, these pieces are 3x4. So what we basically want to do is we want to add these pieces to our flip flap design. So our flip flap is going to look like this. We're going to have one on this side. So you want this white section of the flip flap on this side, and we want one on the opposite side. So I'm going to take these out for the moment because what I want to show you is how to adhere these. So you want this little pocket to be face down, And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some tear and tape right across this back side. So there is no stickiness on this back side of the flip flap. So you will have to add some tape on the back side. So the side with the little pocket. So this pocket right here. So let's add our tape. So I'm just gonna peel off this backing, and then we're gonna add these off to the side. So you just wanna kind of line it up on your cardstock and then just fold this part over and adhere it to the back of this pecan pie cardstock. So we have our first flip flap. Now we're gonna do the second one. We're gonna just do the same thing. You're just gonna lay this on the cardstock, and then you're just gonna fold this over. Squish it down. So that creates this little fun fold section for the card. So now you can go ahead and add your pieces. So what you're gonna be doing is you're going to be adding a piece to the outside, and you're gonna be adding a piece to the inside. So we're gonna put these two pieces together. So this is gonna be my outside piece. This is gonna be my inside piece. And you're just going to go right into this little pocket and just slide these two pieces in. So remember, these pieces are 3 by 4. So 4 across and 3 down. So then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're just gonna slide this in, and then we can close our card here. All right, so this is what our fun fold looks like. So you have this for the front, and then when you open it up, you see this little message, and then when you open it up, you have the fish on the inside. So let's go ahead and add something to the center here. So I just cut a piece of white cardstock, which is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches. And so this is just gonna go on the inside here. And then I just took one of the little elements from the designer paper just to kind of decorate the inside. So we'll add this kind of off to the side here a little bit. And then we're going to take our old olive ink, and we're just gonna add this little sentiment. All right, so this is what our fun fold looks like. Let's go ahead and adhere this to our card base. So these pieces here, these white pieces, have adhesive on them already. So you can just peel these off. And then you can just go ahead and add some additional tear and tape to the back of this pecan piece. And then we're just gonna peel off the backing. And then let's go ahead and adhere this to the center of our card front. All right, so that is all there is to it. So now you have this little fun fold card that is just super cool. All right, so this is the card in landscape style. And then of course I created one in portrait style. So with the two different flip flaps that are in this particular pack, you can create it either in portrait style or this landscape style. So the portrait style one uses the flip flaps that have this longer side. So your 3-inch side is at the top, and then the 4 is at the side. Instead of here, you know, it was the other direction. So for this one, it's the same concept, except I just changed out the colors and the orientation of the card. But I just filled it with some 3 by 4 inch pieces of patterned paper to create this little fun fold design. Okay, so there you go. Now you have 2 different ways that you can create a fun fold card using this flip flap design. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.